The Mahabharat War, the Battle of Kurukshetra. The Mahabharat War, also known as the Battle of Kurukshetra, is one of the most significant events in Indian history and mythology. It represents the eternal struggle between righteousness dharma and unrighteousness adharma, truth and falsehood, and teaches profound lessons about life, duty, and morality. Why and how did the Mahabharat War happen? Causes of the war. 8. Struggle for power. The war was fought between the Pandavas Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva, and the Kauravas Duryodhana and his 99 brothers. Duryodhana, the eldest Kaurava, sought to claim the throne of Hastinapura, which rightfully belonged to Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava. Though deception in gambling, Duryodhana and his uncle Shakuni tricked the Pandavas in a game of dice. The Pandavas lost their kingdom, wealth, and even their wife, Draupadi, in the wager. Theme: Humiliation of Draupadi. Draupadi was insulted in the Kaurava court, and an attempt was made to disrobe her, which deepened the enmity between the Pandavas and Kauravas. 4. Failed peace efforts. Lord Krishna, acting as a peace messenger, tried to prevent the war by proposing a peaceful resolution, but Duryodhana refused all proposals. War became inevitable. When did the Mahabharat War happen? The Mahabharat War is believed to have taken place approximately 5,000 years ago. It lasted for 18 days and was fought in Kurukshetra, a region in present-day Haryana, India. The 18 days of the Mahabharat War. Day 1. The battle began with Bhishma Pitama leading the Kaurava army. Arjuna and Dronacharya engaged in intense combat. Day 5. Arjuna started weakening the Kaurava army. Bhima killed several Kaurava princes. Day 10. The Pandavas could not defeat Bhishma. Following Krishna's advice, the Pandavas used Shikhandi as a shield, and Arjuna attacked Bhishma, leaving him grievously wounded. Bhishma fell onto a bed of arrows. Day 14. Arjuna fulfilled his vow by killing Jayadratha before sunset. Fierce battles occurred between Arjuna and Karna. Day 16. Karna inflicted heavy losses on the Pandava army. Day 17. A decisive battle between Arjuna and Karna took place, and Arjuna killed Karna. Day 18. Bhima defeated Duryodhana in a mace fight, and the Kaurava side was annihilated. The Pandavas emerged victorious. Who won and who lost? 8. Winners. The Pandavas won the war. Righteousness dharma triumphed. Though losers, the Kauravas were entirely defeated. Duryodhana, Karna, and their allies were killed. Consequences of the war. 8. Victory with sorrow. Although the Pandavas won, the victory came with immense sorrow. Most of their family members and allies perished in the war. Though establishment of dharma, the war reinstated righteousness, and Yudhishthira was crowned king of Hastinapura. Theme: The Bhagavad Gita. During the war, Lord Krishna delivered the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, imparting timeless teachings about life, duty, and the importance of following one's dharma. The significance of the Mahabharat War. The Mahabharat War is not just a tale of a battle but a profound narrative about life's complexities and challenges. It teaches that truth and righteousness always prevail, even if the journey is long and arduous. Ego and greed lead to destruction. The importance of duty karma cannot be overstated. If you'd like more detailed insights or specific stories from the Mahabharat, feel free to